Leetcode Biweekly Context 170. Question number 1. Minimum number of flips to reverse binary string. It is an easy problem. We do have an original string and a target string. If we can compare them bit by bit, we can have the number of operations to have the reverse one. But actually, we don't have to compare all of this. First of all, we can have the length of this string. And all we have to do is to compare half the string, since the number of operation for the first half will be exactly the same as the later half. And of course, if the length of the string is a odd number, there's nothing to do for the middle one, which we don't really care. Next part in this video will be a coding only. Feel free to fast forward.